Hey everyone, it's Eikos here from iTechFlow. Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see guys, it's a little bit different environment as usual. So no PC behind me and not on my room. As you can see, even if this is a different product, this is a rowing machine I got recently, and I have to tell already, honestly guys, this product, it's something really brutal. This is the YOSUDA R2 rowing machine, and after testing it properly over the last few days, I completely understand why rowing machines are loved so much for home workouts. Because this thing is not just cardio, it's basically a full body workout machine. Legs, core, back, shoulders, arms. After a proper session, you genuinely feel everything working. So today guys, I'll show you the setup, the build quality, features, real-life testing, and honestly, how it feels using this machine daily. And a huge thanks as well to my gym sis Liveta for helping me demonstrate the machine and helping with the real-life testing shots for this video. So after the intro guys, as usually, let's start with the unboxing, the premium, the feel, the real-life test, and everything I will tell you. Come with me, let's go! So first of all, as I promised, the unboxing experience. This machine arrives in a pretty big box, which honestly makes sense because this thing is built seriously solid. Once everything was unpacked, the first thing I noticed was the overall build quality. The frame feels sturdy, the rail feels strong, and nothing really feels cheap or flimsy. And honestly guys, the setup was way more easier than I expected. Most of the machine comes pre-assembled already, so you're mainly attaching the rail, feet, monitor section and a few smaller parts. I'd say around maybe 25 to 30 minutes and you're pretty much done. The instructions are easy to follow and overall the setup process felt very straightforward. Once fully assembled though, the machine instantly gives that proper gym equipment feeling. And now guys, let's speak about the design and the features. It has that professional gym style design without looking overly bulky in the room. One thing I noticed immediately, it's the long 53.7-inch rail, which makes the rowing movement feel really natural, especially for taller users as well. The seat glides very smoothly and during longer sessions it actually stays surprisingly comfortable. The resistance system is also really nice here because it combines air resistance with adjustable levels. So the harder you row, the harder the machine pushes back naturally. And honestly, that makes the workout feel much more realistic compared to cheaper rowers. The self-powered monitor is also a nice touch because you don't constantly need batteries and it tracks important workout information like stroke count, distance, calories, split times and overall session data. And another thing I really appreciated is how stable the machine feels during intense rowing. Even when pushing harder, the frame stays planted nicely. And now let's speak about the real-life testing with Liveta. Now the real fun started once we properly tested it. And honestly, this machine looks easier than it actually is. At first you think rowing is just pulling a handle back and forth, but after a few minutes you realize how much of a full body movement it really is. So me and Liveta both spent time testing different resistance levels, longer sessions, shorter explosive pulls, and honestly it became way more addictive than I expected. What I like most, how smooth is the rowing motion feels. There is no weird jerking or awkward resistance spikes, it feels fluid the whole time. And because rowing uses both upper and lower body together, you genuinely feel like you're doing proper cardio while still engaging muscles at the same time. Liveta also mentioned how natural the seat movement and foot positioning felt compared to some cheap machines she tried before.
I'm actually quite surprised how good of a quality this is. It's exactly the same as gym. The seat is really comfortable. I'm actually surprised how good of a quality this is.
And honestly, for home workouts, this thing makes a lot of sense because you can get an extremely intense workout without needing a massive amount of space or multiple machines. Another thing I liked is the sound. You still hear that satisfying air rowing sound, which actually makes the session feel more immersive and motivating, but it's not painfully loud either. Alright, let me mention guys my daily experience. So after using it more throughout the week, I started appreciating it even more. Some cardio machines become boring very quickly for me, but rowing feels much more engaging because your entire body is involved constantly. I found myself using it before workouts or after workouts, and honestly, after a proper rowing session, you really feel worked, especially the back, shoulders, legs, and the core. This is one of those machines where 15-20 minutes can genuinely feel enough. And because the machine feels stable and premium while using it, it actually motivates you to push harder, push harder, push harder. So let's wrap up, guys. Here is my honest thoughts of this machine. Overall, I genuinely enjoyed using the YOSUDA R2 rowing machine, way more than I expected. It feels premium, stable, smooth, gives a seriously effective full body workout, and honestly fits really nicely into a home gym setup. The setup process was easy, the resistance feel natural, and the long rail plus ergonomic seat makes longer sessions much more comfortable. So a huge thanks to YOSUDA to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. And as well a very big thanks to Liveta to helping out with this video.
Thank you so much for watching. It was ATAC Flow and Liveta. Bye!
And for you guys, if you want to check it out for yourself, this machine, I will leave the links and everything down below. So it was Akos from ATAC Flow, it was a rowing machine YOSUDA R2 from YOSUDA. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!
I'll just say thank you so much for watching, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys.